Okay, we're up on the roof. Here's a corner leak here. So, looks like there's been a bunch of spot repair. New panels. You can see little cracks here and there. Overall, the deck doesn't look too bad. Got a bunch of repairs here and there. I like them because they're putting new panels on and just sealing the ends. But the overall condition of the roof, I think we got another leak here, and yep, you can see where that's all cracked right there. That's your skylight. And I know there's another one here, and I can see like a panel cracked there. So there's some leakage around this one here. Could spray the whole roof white with Hydra-Stop, would be real nice. We could low pressure clean it, get all this chalky dirt off, and I really think we can coat this roof. So I know we've got another leak over here. Yep, here it is. So could be nice to put a panel over this, just like that one there. You put a panel on this, just screw it down. I did notice driving up here you had some panels over the side, or there was a pile of them sitting around here. Where the hell were they? There they are down there. Good, we've got some panels stacked there. Hopefully they fit and we can use them. It looks like we can. So yes, this is a we can spray some hydro on here. It'd really reduce the temperature of the roof. But yeah, this is scalding hot in the summer. Metal, dark. Couple little patches here, so we've got some weird spots here and there. Here's this other one that we saw down there, and these panels are just a little, ain't too game to get on this one. Don't know how rusted it is. So there you go. So we got repairs, but overall we're just starting to see some rust spots. It looks like it's got some kind of coating on it. I don't know what it is. Perhaps you could find out what's on here, or what's been put on here previously. So there's a gutter joint right here, so it might be just a bad gutter joint. So I think we can definitely do something with this roof. It's had a lot of spot patching on all the bolts. I'm not sure what the product is. Yeah, it looks like Hydra-Stop, so we're compatible. I'm glad it's not silicone. And again, we've got a few rusty spots showing up, so I like the idea of just putting metal right over them. We put some sealant on there to keep the air out, and so we're seeing a lot of spot work on this roof already. And the rest of it is out in the weather. I don't know if these skylights are even doing any good. They're really worn out. Look at that. Just some type of fiberglass. I reckon we just coat them with the Hydra-Stop. I don't know how much light they let in, if any. They're real black and dirty. I think their translucent sort of ability's gone. See, there's some spot areas, so we've got repair work. Then we've got spot areas. See, like that little rust area here. Cracks. So a few of our guys are just going to have to walk this roof, spot sealing bolts and spot areas other than the leaks, and then spray this. This roof's worth keeping. It's an expensive asset. It's not that bad, and the reason it's not that bad is it's been coated before, so the coating's been put on it previously. I don't even think this roof would be here if it wasn't for the previous coating. Is it worth coating? Yes. There's not a lot wrong with it. You've only got a few spots. Well, I'm probably talking the same things twice, so that's about it.